The Wise Owl and the Lost Star. Once upon a time in the enchanted forest, there lived a wise old owl named Ollie. He was known for his intelligence and problem-solving skills. The lost star one evening, a bright star fell from the sky and landed near Ollie's tree. It had lost its way and didn't know how to get back to the heavens. Ollie's kindness. Ollie saw the sad star and decided to help. He told the star, "Don't worry, little one. I'll guide you back home." The journey begins. Ollie and the star set out on a journey. Along the way, they met various forest animals, and Ollie taught them the importance of kindness and helping those in need, facing challenges. They faced challenges like crossing a fast-flowing river and climbing a tall tree, but Ollie's wisdom and the star's determination helped them overcome each obstacle. Reaching the sky. After days of traveling, Ollie and the star finally reached the night sky. The star was overjoyed and thanked Ollie for his help. The moral Ollie smiled and said, "Always be kind and helpful, and you'll find your way home, just like our little star did." And from that day on, the animals of the forest learned the value of kindness. The story ends with Ollie returning to his tree, wiser and happier, knowing that he had made a difference in the world. Moral of the story: kindness and helping others are paths to finding your way home.